Introducing the next generation of LED lighting from OPPLE. Upgrade to LED without replacing your existing lighting fixtures. OPPLE ceiling modules are small in size and snap right into place with magnets. Robust and patented optical lens emit more uniform light output and are flicker-free, all while using less electricity and providing added safety. Ceiling LED modules are easy to install. Step 1. Turn off electricity. Take off cover, remove screws, modulator tube, ballast, and lamp. Step 2. Connect to electricity. Step 3. Place module in center of lamp. Step 4. Replace cover, turn on electricity. Next generation LED technology. Easy to install LED upgrades. OPPLE LED, lighting up your future.